Ever heard cracking knuckles leads to arthritis? Let's dive in. Many believe this myth, but what does science say about it? Studies show no direct link between knuckle cracking and arthritis. So, what causes arthritis if not knuckle cracking? Let's find out. Arthritis can stem from genetics, age, and joint injuries. Cracking knuckles might actually relieve tension in your joints. It's the sound of gas bubbles popping in the joint fluid, nothing harmful. So, feel free to crack those knuckles without worry. But remember, moderation is key in all things, even cracking. Stay informed and don't let myths dictate your health choices.